Now, when we talk about the universe, there are levels of the universe. There are 7 cosmic planes that are differentiated and contained within the Supreme Being. Now, the Supreme Being occupies the first cosmic plane and permeates the remaining 6 cosmic planes. From the second to even the 7th cosmic plane, we have beings of superpower, of indescribable power. And we can have a look into this diagram. I would like you to concentrate on the left-hand side of the diagram, looking at the first cosmic plane where the Supreme Being dwells, and his extension covers through the second cosmic plane, the third cosmic plane, the fourth cosmic plane, the fifth cosmic plane, the sixth cosmic plane, and then the 7th cosmic plane. The 7th cosmic plane is where the worlds are. So, from the first to the 6th cosmic planes, there is nothing like form or material. The beings over there do not even manifest themselves in form. But on the 7th cosmic plane, forms exist. More or less, that is where we find the universe. Solid, liquid, and gas manifesting as the universe is at the 7th cosmic plane. And the universe, we know, is vast. It contains billions of solar systems and galaxies. Wikipedia.org gives us a picture of the universe, but this is just a minute aspect of it. The universe is bigger than this, contains billions upon billions of solar systems, planets, and galaxies. Google says that everything we know, everything we see regarding the universe is just 5% of what there is about the universe. The remaining 95% is stuff that we can't see and we don't yet understand. So, if we are struggling to understand the 7th cosmic plane where the universe is situated, how about the 6th, the 5th, the 4th, the 3rd, the 2nd, and the 1st cosmic planes, which increase exponentially? Let us remember that the universe, as vast as it is, containing billions of solar systems and galaxies, is the smallest among the 7 cosmic planes. So our minds cannot fathom it out. It's so huge. That is what we are talking about